How to get started with Veracode in healthcare. Your healthcare organization holds some of the most sensitive data, patient records, financial information, operational insights. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Even the most innovative applications can be riddled with hidden vulnerabilities, quietly putting your data, patients, and reputation at risk. Today, you'll learn exactly why healthcare leaders are turning to Veracode to not just meet compliance but to exceed security expectations in a world where one breach can cost millions. And by the end, you'll know the steps to protect your organization. Today, the challenge is ensuring the security of your healthcare applications in a world filled with cyber threats. The stakes are high, but so are the rewards. That's where Veracode enters the story. Veracode is a leading application security platform that helps organizations like yours identify and fix vulnerabilities in your software before attackers can exploit them. Whether it's safeguarding patient data or maintaining operational stability, Veracode equips you with the tools and insights to rise to the occasion. In this discussion, we'll explore how Veracode can help transform your organization's approach to application security. This is your call to adventure. Will you answer it? Don't wait for a breach to expose weaknesses in your systems. Start building a safer, compliant, and resilient healthcare environment with Veracode. Grab your free implementation guide using the link in the description and take your first step toward smarter application security today. By acting now, you'll be empowering your team to deliver secure software without sacrificing speed or innovation. Your organization's future depends on proactive decisions made today. Don't let this opportunity slip by. Healthcare applications are lifelines, managing everything from patient portals to life-saving technologies. But the industry is also a top target for cyber attacks, with outdated code, third-party dependencies, and rapidly evolving threats making applications especially vulnerable. Worse, open-source components, often used to accelerate development, can harbor known vulnerabilities. Compliance standards like HIPAA add another layer of pressure, leaving organizations struggling to meet requirements while maintaining agility. The real question isn't if a breach will happen, it's when. Veracode is the platform trusted by leading healthcare organizations to address these challenges head-on. It integrates directly into your development lifecycle, seamlessly scanning your code for vulnerabilities with static and dynamic analysis. Veracode also evaluates open-source components with software composition analysis, ensuring every dependency is secure. For issues that automation can't catch, Veracode's manual penetration testing uncovers even the most complex vulnerabilities. The platform doesn't just identify problems, it prioritizes them, providing actionable insights so your team can address the most critical issues first. Getting started with Veracode is straightforward. First, activate your account and set up your team with roles and permissions. Next, integrate Veracode into your existing CI/CD pipelines to automate security scans without disrupting workflows. Begin with a comprehensive scan of your most critical applications and review the findings in Veracode's easy-to-understand dashboards. Finally, leverage developer training to embed security into your development culture. Without proactive security, the risks grow exponentially. A breach could expose sensitive patient data, leading to regulatory fines, lawsuits, and reputational damage that takes years to rebuild. Operational downtime caused by cyber attacks can disrupt patient care, putting lives at risk. Worse, the cost of fixing vulnerabilities post-deployment is significantly higher than addressing them early in development. Ignoring these risks isn't just costly, it's dangerous. Cybercriminals are constantly evolving their methods, making unprotected systems even more vulnerable over time. Failing to act now could leave your organization in a perpetual state of reaction, struggling to catch up after each new incident. By taking action with Veracode, your organization gains more than just protection. You reduce the risk of breaches, ensure compliance with industry regulations, and build trust with patients and stakeholders. Security scans integrated into your development process mean faster releases without compromising safety. Empowering your developers with secure coding practices improves productivity and morale. Most importantly, you safeguard your organization's reputation and ensure you can focus on what matters, delivering exceptional care. Proactively securing your applications also positions your organization as a leader in the industry, demonstrating a commitment to innovation and patient safety. By embedding security into your development lifecycle with Veracode, your organization gains long-term resilience against evolving cyber threats. Continuous monitoring and actionable insights enable your team to stay ahead of potential vulnerabilities, reducing downtime and minimizing costly disruptions. Veracode's training resources not only equip your developers with essential secure coding skills but also foster a culture of shared responsibility for security across your organization. This holistic approach ensures your systems remain robust and agile, even as new challenges emerge, allowing you to maintain operational excellence while confidently meeting the demands of a dynamic healthcare landscape. the stakes couldn't be higher. For healthcare organizations, a single breach can jeopardize patient trust, operational stability, and even lives. Compliance is non-negotiable, but so is the need for innovation in a competitive industry. With evolving threats and increasing complexity, the only way forward is to make security an integral part of your development process. Delaying action not only increases vulnerability but also risks falling behind competitors who prioritize security as a core strategy. The cost of inaction isn't just financial, it's the potential loss of reputation, leadership, and trust in an increasingly security-conscious world. Your patients and stakeholders count on you to deliver secure, reliable applications. Take the first step toward building a stronger, safer healthcare organization today. Click the link in the description to get your free implementation guide and start your journey with Veracode. It's time to lead the way in application security.